Welcome back to third practical session of Python. My name is Ram Krishn Mishra on behalf of Protect. So this Python series we are going through. So let us start and we'll create the new file again. No need to create the different files for each and every program in Jupyter Notebook. Even single file can be used for all projects. So, but why I'm making that, you should be get aware about how to create the file, where to save, and all these things, because in the initially 3 to 4 sessions better will create the separate files for each and every program. So let's start and we rename the file third practical session. So in this video we are going to talk, and one important thing, better keep exploring this part as well. So here, user input and performing operation. Okay, then shift plus enter. Whenever you will use shift plus enter, automatically you will go to the code block. So let us see how to get the input from the user, and what kind of function you should use. So there is a two already we know the print function. Print functions is basically for output, and then we have the input function, which is used to get the input from the user. uh, okay, so let's use this now. So there is a one variable n1. We are going to perform some addition of two numbers, so n1. And here one most important thing, I'll first what I will do, let's get the input first. So here input, and inside the input you can give the message as well, and enter the value for n1. Yeah, n1, whatever variable name you have. Then make sure that these inputs should be in the double quotes. Then n2 equal to input, and same message you can give here, enter the value of n2, right? Now most important thing is whatever the by default Python takes the string data types. Okay, so just to avoid that, we have to do the typecasting. And how will you do typecasting? You will use integer int function. Integer functions, what it will do, integer functions will get an input from the input function, which would be the string type, and convert to the integer type. Okay, and then so whenever integer value will assign to the n1, automatically n1 and n2 will convert to the integer type. That's how the by default Python works. So here we haven't closed the brackets. So fine. Now these two lines will accept the input from the user. Then we are going to perform addition. So let's we'll take one variable n, n1 plus n2. Okay, and let's give the message print. Simple, just give the message addition of n1 and n2 equal to, right, and you will print here a. So let's run this code, and even for running this code also you can use the shift plus enter. So especially in Windows, automatic code will get executed. So look at here, the while we are running the code, it is asking the input from the user. So n1 is we are giving 20, and 2 we are giving here 30, and you will be able to get the uh, uh, addition of two numbers 50, right? So that's how the input and output works in the Python. So most important things you need to keep in mind, that basically the Python accept by by default string data type. So you need to convert, especially why when you are dealing with the integer, float, or any numeric type of data. And if you are dealing with the string data type, no need to use this typecasting, and no need to use this conversion functions. Okay, so make sure that this should be very clear, careful. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.